Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghostage problem on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So first, remove the screen protector or case and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is off the sides, so it's going off to the sides right here, if let's say this part is not covered anymore, then what can happen is sometimes the ghost touches may appear like this and your phone will be clicking it all the time or just randomly. So let's say 1, 1, and it's pretty much that. So if your screen protector is not applied perfectly like mine, then make sure to remove it and apply it properly. Now for the case though, if your case is going off the bezels, so the bezels are the dark part of here between the screen and the case. If your case is covering those bezels and it goes onto the screen, then what can happen is your screen can either become less responsive or unresponsive at all, or just random taps like this. So if also that's the case, remove it. Now next, what you guys want to do is remove your screen, not remove your screen, but clean your screen to remove the debris, moisture, and fingerprints. Let's go over and give it a few swipes. So 4 swipes is enough, 2 for each side. Now after that, we are ready to proceed with a restart. So to restart this phone, all you need is press the power button and the volume up button. Now tap restart and the phone is now restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it restarts. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is enter the password if you have one, and as a last resort, update your software. So we're gonna go over to the settings now, and in those settings we want to scroll down until we see the system updates. So they are right here. Let's click check for updates, make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection, and now we are checking for updates. I am on the latest version, I'm using the latest software. My Android version is 16 and my security patch is the newest one from January 1st. So you guys definitely want to update if you didn't update already, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.